We're out here today near the shed, not in the lean-to, with a new project. This is a 1944 model Farmall H. I picked this up off the marketplace. Not sure why, but I got it. Haven't done much to it other than air the tires up. It does start and run pretty good. Checked the oil on it the other day. These don't have a dipstick on them. They have a little tech talks on the oil pan. And it didn't show up, so I got some stuff to change the oil, which is what we're going to do today. But before I change the oil on it, I'm going to let it run, maybe take it up the road, make sure the oil's warm, then we'll drain it while it's kind of warm and put some new oil in there. So take it for a ride. Hopefully it don't die on me. we made it back from the test drive. Oil's warmer than it was, so I got a bucket over here with some oil in it. Gonna go find a wrench and see if we can't not make a mess in the yard. Alright, this is my bucket of goodies. I gotta get this flapper installed so I don't get water in there. I have an assortment of filters, hopefully one is right. Couple gallons of Excella. The oil, not the salsa cheese mixture. And an old bucket. So get over here and see if we can drain this thing. That was tight. Now the key is to drop this in the bucket. That's some dark oil there. Let that drain for just a minute. There's that part. Now we got to figure out which filter we're using. All right, over here on the oil filter side. Oop, don't drop that in the oil. We've got the drain, or so I'm told. Okay. That's always a good sign. Loosen the top up and see if that does anything. There she comes. Ah. Let that drain for just a minute. I'm guessing it'll be the small filter. Alright, got a Fram C35 filter. Hopefully I've got something that'll fit in there. Looks like, I'm guessing there's an O-ring goes around the bottom of that. So we shall see. I guess it's that one. That's the smallest filter I got. The other ones are really big. Big hole at the bottom, small hole at the top. I guess that'll work. Well, it took a while, but I finally got the old gasket out of there. It had been there for a long time, so got the new gasket here. Gonna put a little oil on that, slide it down in place, and see if we can't get the oil filter back on. There's oil. Okay. That's about how tight that was. Okay, clean some of this oil off my hands, find a funnel, and put some oil in it. Okay, got some oil here, supposedly takes 6 quarts, so we'll see. Apparently you just have to fill it up till oil runs out of this hole here, supposing that hole's not plugged up with something. So we'll put 6 in it and see where that goes. I don't know if I can do that. My math's correct, should take half of this bottle.
touch more. Give it just a bit more. All right. Hey, it's coming out. That must mean it's good. Check it again after I start it and let it run for a second. Forgot to put my oil cap on. No big deal. Nobody saw that. Open this up again. Okay, nothing's in the top one. Okay. Well, just give her just a touch more. Dipsticks are cool, but you know. Oh, now it's running out of both of them. How cool is that? We'll get just a little bit. There we go. That might be enough. Hopefully these aren't leaking now. That'd be cool.
Alright, so that's the new tractor. Oil's changed. Alternator's not charging, so that'll probably be what's next. But if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.